Hello friends and welcome to English with Alex channel. American English versus British English. Flat, apartment. Flat, apartment. Taxi, cab. Taxi, cab. Tin, can. Tin, can. Sweet, candy. Sweet, candy. Crisps, chips. Crisps, chips. Wardrobe, closet. Wardrobe, closet. Biscuit, cookie. Biscuit, cookie. Maize, corn. Maize, corn. Nappy, diaper. Nappy, diaper. Curtains, drapes. Curtains, drapes. Dungarees, overalls. Dungarees, overalls. Lift, elevator. Lift, elevator. Rubber, eraser. Rubber, eraser. Autumn, fall. Autumn, fall. Tap, faucet. Tap, faucet. Torch, flashlight. Torch, flashlight. Chips, fries. Chips, fries. Rubbish, garbage. Rubbish, garbage. Petrol, gasoline. Petrol, gasoline. Motorway, highway. Motorway, highway. Listen, repeat, practice. Thank you for watching. Hit the like, subscribe to our channel, and bye for now.